So what's up, Charmies? Today my mom's gonna do my hair. So what's up, Charmies? Today we're going back to the video. Today I was gonna do my hair. So this is a spray bottle, and this is flaxseed oil. Oh my god! Oh, my mom just got this. So she could do my hair like this, and just help me. This hair goes out like this. This is soft cool. Oh, I just need this. This is what's this? So this is flaxseed oil. Oh, and that my mom get. So she's a sponsor from the heritage from the shop.
One eternity later.
So guys, this is a robot that I got. It has wheels on it.
What's that for?
And this is the hair. That's the hair. You see the wheels? That's the wheels.
What is it?
Get the tangles out. Sorry. For the tangles out. So this is hair, and for to get the tangles out.
Okay.
And I got dust in my hair. And this is a spray bottle with castor oil and oil veil. And this is hair box that I got from my nana. And my nana first cut my hair. And my mom just got this from my mom. And my mommy just got it from her nana. So these are us.
Are you ready?
And I got an extra clip. And this is a clip. And this is a blue clip.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
Okay, how do you want your hair today?
Out.
You want to wear it out?
Yeah, please.
Oh, man. All right.
Alright guys, so this video is going to be how I do my 4-year-old's hair, and as you guys could tell, she's very personable. So this video is going to be a combination of me doing a voiceover and you guys just enjoying her. So here we go.
Massage it again. Again. Massage it again.
Hey, Mama, come on.
Okay, Mama. Mommy, I will listen to you. So this is a sponge. You're spraying me. You're spraying me, Mom.
I'm sorry, but you want to wear your hair down, so I got to
So
spray.
can you do something?
Yeah.
I can comb it.
No, not with that. Hold on. Now, if you want to wear your hair out, you got to let me do it, okay? Not that one.
Well, Mom, this is a soft brush.
I know, but I got to detangle it. Now, why do we wear like this?
No. I want to wear it out.
You wear it all out?
Yeah.
All right. Let me start it back then.
And I finished. Are you doing like this?
I like it like that.
No, I want it out.
Okay, all right. I heard you.
Alright guys, so the first thing I like to do is section off her hair, but not before I spray it down a little bit with the aloe and water mixture. It just helps to kind of soften her curls up. And then I like to start at the bottom of her hair and work my way up. And I like to spray the aloe and the water mixture on her hair as much as I need to, because I find with the aloe and water mixture on her hair, it really softens very quickly. Now, as you can tell, my daughter is really not the type of kid who likes her hair combed. So I really try to keep her hair in a bun or in twist or in braids, just to kind of ease the tension of the next day of me having to detangle her hair. And that's been working very good for us, and it's also helped her retain a lot of length. This is how long her hair is now. It's about tailbone. I'm finding the taller she gets, of course, it's going up a little bit more, but that's normal. She's a growing kid, so that is her. Her hair texture is probably about a 3A, 3B. And I'm just going to continue with this. So I'm just going to spray as I need and detangle with her brush. And this brush is perfect. I don't really finger detangle her hair as much because it takes a long time, and this is just works for us.
So guys, my mom's doing my hair. So guys, if you want to join this video, you can join it. So guys, if you like to make your own video, you can make your own video, like my mom and me.
Oh yeah?
So today I'm going to school. Are you going to school? Nah, you're not going to school, man.
Why are they not going to school?
Because they are family.
Oh, okay.
Those are people.
Those are people?
Well, are you going to get like this? Are you going to get like this?
Yeah, man.
But I want to wear it out.
I am.
Okay. But I want to put it out. I want to wear it out.
That's what I'm doing. I'm going to detangle it so you can wear it out.
Okay. But I want to wear a bun like this.
You want to wear a bun?
No. I see. I want to wear a bun like
I know, because I'm moving. That's what I'm doing.
Ooh, yeah. Car. Car. So that's my name is a girl.
Mm-hmm.
Do you order food? What the heck? It's food in there. But how they got food?
It's to cook.
To cook?
Mm-hmm.
And mommy, is it pots and pans in there?
No.
Just food.
Mm-hmm.
Nah.
Okay, so I'm almost at the front now, and I've just done the whole thing around her, or the same thing around her head. I'll grab small sections and I'll spray them, and I'll just start detangling her hair from the bottom and work my way up. Now, as far as products that I use on her hair, it's the same thing with me. I use the same thing on her hair that I use on mine. She's never had shampoo nor conditioner put on her hair unless she's in the bathroom and she's trying to steal her dad's conditioner and she puts it in her hair. Then I have to get it out. But other than that, it's not an intentional thing to put shampoo nor conditioner on her hair. I wash her hair just like I do mine. And I just put a little bit of flaxseed oil in her hair. It works really good because it's not too heavy and it's not too light. Her hair cannot take castor oil. It's way too heavy for her hair. When I do put box braids, or with her own hair, obviously, box braids in her hair, I do use a little bit of shea butter because it just keeps moisture in her hair for a long time. So I'm going to be moving to the other side and just doing the same thing, nothing fancy, just spraying it down, making sure that it softens up so that when I go in with her detangling brush, it is a very easy process and as less tension as possible. You don't want to create a lot of tension in your toddler's hair. You just want to make it as easy and smooth for them as possible. It's very rare that I get her to sit still for this long, so I hope you guys enjoy this.
Can you do my soft brush, please?
Yeah, when it's time.
It's time. It's time off.
It's not long. I gotta comb your hair out, Mama. Come on.
That feels good. That don't feel good. I don't like doing my hair.
Mama, do you like getting your hair combed?
No. Mom, I like brushing my teeth.
So you don't like brushing your hair, but you like brushing your teeth?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good too.
Ow! That hurts.
It does not hurt that bad.
Gotta do a little fatter.
Okay, so I'm at the front now, and I'm just making sure I kind of go over the front a little bit. Now, if I were to wet her hair a lot and use this brush, then her curls would be a lot more defined. But because it wasn't the hottest outside, I didn't want her hair to be too wet and, for her to catch a cold. So I'm just going to take some more of the flaxseed oil and I'm going to apply that to her hair just to make sure that all of her strands are coated and well hydrated and moisturized, because I do not want this to dry. Okay, when her hair dries, I want it to be some type of moisture in it. So it's always a pleasant surprise when I let her wear her hair down and I can see how much her hair has grown, because she normally wears her hair in a ballerina bun the majority of the time. That's just one of her favorite hairstyles to wear, a ballerina bun. And just to see how much her hair has flourished just lets me know that I am taking as best care of my daughter's hair that I possibly can. I'm sorry, we're kind of sick. And this is her brush that she loves to use. It's a soft brush because she knows that whenever I am using this brush, that means her hair is going in a bun and it's not going to be too much of detangling involved. So this is her, and this is all of her glorious, beautiful hair. And this is just the love of my life. And she is biracial. She is Cambodian, Chinese, and Black. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you will see her in the next clip. Bye.
Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Aww, give her a kiss. Say bye.
Bye bye. I love you guys.
Aww.